Welcome to the in-depth exploration of the 2026 Ferrari F80, a masterpiece of automotive engineering that redefines the boundaries of performance, design, and innovation. Join us as we delve into its stunning exterior, exhilarating performance, luxurious interior, advanced safety features, and pricing details. Exterior. The Ferrari F80's design is a harmonious blend of sharp, angular lines and smooth, flowing curves. The front end features a distinctive black bar motif, reminiscent of the original Ferrari Daytona, while the ducts behind the front wheels create a striking vertical line down the car's profile. The rear haunches evoke the spirit of Ferrari's iconic prototype racers from the 1960s and 70s, paying homage to the legendary F40. An active rear wing, seamlessly integrated into the design, enhances aerodynamics by generating up to 2,314 pounds of downforce, ensuring both stability and aesthetic appeal. Performance. At the heart of the F80 lies a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine, producing 900 horsepower and 626 pound-feet of torque, with a redline at 9,200 revolutions per minute. This formidable powerplant is complemented by 3 electric motors, 2 on the front axle and 1 between the engine and the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, adding an additional 300 horsepower. This hybrid setup enables the F80 to accelerate from 0 to 62 miles per hour in a blistering 2.1 seconds and reach an electronically limited top speed of 217 miles per hour. The advanced suspension system, featuring a double wishbone layout with inboard dampers supported by 48-volt electric motors, ensures exceptional handling and ride comfort, adapting seamlessly from road to track conditions. Interior. The F80's cockpit is a testament to Ferrari's driver-centric philosophy. The driver's seat, finished in vibrant red, is positioned slightly ahead of the black passenger seat, emphasizing the focus on the driving experience. The minimalist design features a central control panel with a combination of buttons and capacitive controls, eschewing traditional screens for a more tactile interface. A single display behind the steering wheel provides essential information, ensuring the driver remains connected to the car's performance dynamics. Pull handles on the doors further reinforce the F80's homage to the F40, blending classic design elements with modern functionality. Safety features. While Ferrari has not publicly detailed the F80's safety features, it is expected to incorporate advanced systems to match its performance capabilities. These may include electronic stability control, high-performance ABS with electronic brake distribution, traction control integrated with the hybrid system, an electronic differential, magnetorological damping, and active aerodynamics. These technologies would work in unison to provide optimal safety and control, both on the road and the track. Prices. The Ferrari F80 is slated for a limited production run of 799 units, with each priced at approximately $3.9 million. This exclusivity and pricing position the F80 among the most prestigious hypercars in the world, reflecting its advanced technology, performance, and design. The 2026 Ferrari F80 stands as a testament to Ferrari's relentless pursuit of automotive excellence. With its cutting-edge hybrid powertrain, aerodynamic artistry, luxurious interior, and anticipated advanced safety features, the F80 not only honors Ferrari's rich heritage but also propels it into the future of hypercar innovation.